Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the GoPro and capture hardware so the feed is stable and clean. First, update firmware and choose clean HDMI output or webcam mode if your model supports it, because Lumabooth needs a direct video feed without overlays. Then attach a reliable HDMI to USB capture dongle that presents as a UVC webcam to your computer. Once done, power the GoPro with continuous power or a fully charged battery to avoid interruptions during the setup process. Now connect the capture device to a USB 3.0 port and turn on the GoPro so the computer recognizes it as a webcam. Open Lumabooth, go to Camera Input, and pick the capture device exactly as it appears. This ensures Lumabooth receives a direct feed. Make sure resolution and frame rate match Lumabooth's preferred settings and disable GoPro overlays in the camera menu so the photo output is clean. Once confirmed, preview the live image and tweak exposure or white balance for consistent results. Finish by running a quick test sequence in Lumabooth to confirm capture, file saving, and trigger responsiveness. If the feed is missing or flickering, immediately check the HDMI cable seating, confirm the capture device drivers are installed, and re-verify the GoPro's clean output setting. These are the most common failure points. If you still see instability, try a powered USB hub or another USB port, and restart Lumabooth after any hardware change so the app redetects the webcam source.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.